And Japan weather update. Today is August 18. Today is August 18, 2025. And current temperature is 32 degrees Celsius. So as you can see, napayong ako kasi medyo mainit talaga. Like mas mainit, feeling ko mas mainit dito sa Tokyo kaysa doon sa Osaka. Kahapon nasa Osaka ako. Medyo mas mahangin kasi doon kaya okay lang. Dito is parang wala masyado and sobrang mainit. Current temperature is 32 degrees Celsius, highest is 35 degrees Celsius, and lowest is 27 degrees Celsius. So ayun, bring your portable fans and umbrellas pa rin kung pupunta kayo dito sa Tokyo for the next few days. And of course, wear light clothes for summer. Ayan. So today, ang itinerary natin is yan, Tokyo Basics. Pupunta tayo sa Shibuya, Meiji Shrine, and others. So tignan natin kung hanggang saan aabot yung energy natin for today kasi medyo mainit nga. By the way, yung shirt ko ay gatid sa GU. Ang mura lang, 300 pesos lang. 300 pesos lang yata. Yan lang. See you sa next updates.